I'm Samantha Barendson. I'm a poet from France, but I'm French and I'm also Argentinian and Italian. I'm part of a poetic group, a collective called the Union of the Poets Who Will Die One Day. And our goal is to reach poetry and to give poetry to everyone and everywhere. So I'm really enjoying doing readings in the street, in bars, in libraries, in bookstores, but also maybe in hospitals, in schools with children, etc., etc. That's my job. About the translation workshop we had here in Malta, I really enjoyed it a lot because we spent 4 days with poets from all the world, and we spent the days all together working on our text, knowing each other, and it was just a magical experience to share the poetry and to share our lives and to share the I don't want to use the word soul, but I will use it, the soul of our poetry. So it was the most amazing experience of translation. And about the festival, I didn't read yet. I will read on Saturday, but for the moment, for what I see, it's really a good festival, and this kind of presentation to allow the poets to read in their own language, but also to invite the translators from the workshop is really original, because we have readings in Kurdish, in Malay, in Maltese, in English, in French, in Spanish, in Arabic, in Persian. I'm thinking I'm forgetting some other languages, but it's just amazing to hear the word from here, from Malta.